Hello guys, I'm Bharat K from IoT department from the Savita Engineering College. I'm presenting this project under the guidance of Dr. Ashwini J, Professor and Department of AAML. My project title is Intelligence Autonomous Space Security System. Basically, in modern defenses, precision and speed are everything. While autonomous technology is revolutioning security operations through intelligent surveillance and automated threat detection, it is also brings up critical ethical questions regarding human oversights. This is my project agenda, and introduction of the project states that it enables an intelligent surveillance system, automated threat detection, and data-driven strategies that significantly improve operational efficiencies. Autonomous technology is revolutioning modern defenses by enhancing precision, speed, and decision making in security operations. The statement of the project shows that the effective integration of autonomous technologies requires robust communication network, adaptive learning and mechanism, and secure data management. The increasing flow of real-time sensors and surveillance data creates challenges in timely analysis and autonomous responses. To deploy of autonomous defense system raises ethical issues such as accountability, bias, and loss of human control, demanding responsible governance and supervision. My project got it explores how we can use autonomous system in IoT to strengthen base security while maintaining responsible human supervision. The scope of the project says that the operational scope, which provides continuous monitoring of territory movements of enemies and troops condition and environmental changes. The detection of visible and invisible threats using microwave, PIR, and ultrasonic sensors. The integration of payload rover with face recognition camera for mobile surveillance supports both routine surveillance and high-risk emergency responses to provide real-time situational awareness across the entire security camp using AI and IoT. We use ability to monitor restricted zones, entry points, and blind spots efficiently. The project scope, technological scope involves integration of IoT sensors such as PIR and microwave ultrasonic sensors and AI models and cloud system to end-to-end threat detection, real-time analytics using machine learning and predictive modeling, scalable systems to expand by adding more sensors and vehicles or AI modules compatible with existing military infrastructures. Strategic and future scope involves that enhancing the commander's ability to make faster and more accurate decisions to reduce dependency on manual surveillance, minimizing human error, provide predictive insights, helping anticipate threat before they escalate. Can be deployed in diverse terrain, urban forest, desert, mountain, etc. Long-term potential to evolve to complete battlefield intelligence across traditional security systems are struggling to keep up with the rapidly evolving threats. We are furthered with real-time sensors data by analyzing it quickly enough to respond autonomously without losing human control. It is a massive challenge for us. The operational scope of this project and futuristic scope says that to provide predictive insights, helping anticipate the threat before they escalate, we have to deploy large number of data sets into preload uh, for AI automations. The operational scope says that the project is totally to provide situational awareness across the security camp. We use mix of AI and IoT to monitor troop movements and availability of threats in the location by using PIR, and microwave and ultrasonic sensors to with the help of mobile payload rover. The methodology says that the requirement analysis collected functional and non-functional requirements that are threat detection, prediction, real-time alerts, identified sensor types or AI model needs, and data processing flow works. The architecture design in that says that multiple layer of IoT architecture such as in sensors, edge devices, cloud, and dashboard created using the UML diagram, activity state, and sequence flow chart to define system logic. And AI model development uses a mobile net B2, CCN operational anomaly detection models trained on facial and movement data sets for target recognition and perform test for accuracy, speed, and false positive detection. And in the implementation and operational workflow, real-time data acquisition, edge processing and filtering, cloud and threat classification, user interface and response and feedback loop have been mentioned. And this is our architectural diagram or flow about the project. In this user interface connects with the IP device, and the using the sensor layer, the using our ESP module, the data will be transferred to the database, and that will be accessed with the IP device using the user interface. This is our UML diagram. In this diagram, you can see the actor, which is the monitor, and its system behavior. This is admin access of use case diagram, and design class diagram says that it's about system connecting with the AI model, alert system, car, and dashboard. The car refers to rover. The software algorithms and sequence diagram for threat detection says that surveillance camera sends the data to the AI system, and it will send the alert, threat alert to the command center, and the command center will dispatch the officer by sending the instruction to the security officer, and response to the threat will be intruder or any other threats that will be identified. The sequence diagram says that the instruction and alert system about the intruder starts the moment the camera will capture it, and IoT sensors capture the virtual data, and activated surveillance will send the environmental data, and the AI surveillance sends alert notification to the command center. The algorithm used are to make the sense of all this data. We used main two part of algorithms. First, for multi-source data fusion algorithm, this combines data from the sensor and rover and satellite inputs into one unified stream. And we have also used PIR and ultrasonic sensor data for us to identify the things. Enhance decision making by giving consolidated battlefield view instead of isolated readings. For example, we have used ultrasonic, PIR, microwave sensor, and camera data are fused to determine whether detected motion is an intruder or a normal activity. The conventional neural network is being used in AI, and it speak about the deep learning and spatial feature extraction and accuracy of identifying the human faces using the ESP32 CAM module used in the rover. Hardware requirements is about the robotic patrol unit, which we have developed a autonomous rover, which can be equipped with the camera, sensor, and capable patrolling and responding to alert autonomously. Communication module are present in the autonomous model using ESP or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ensures real-time connectivity using sensor and camera module. Edge devices is about the ESP32 model, which have been used for bridge with the IoT sensor and central processing system. IoT sensors says about PIR, ultrasonic sensors that we are used in the tracking of identifying the potential threats. The software requirements is about the learning block, model and anomaly, IoT platform integration, and real-time alert system. The implementation requires gathering and finalization, infrastructure setup, and deployment and field testing, monitoring, and maintenance. These are our code segments which we have used in the program. This is our object distance calculator, which will be controlled by ultrasonic sensor, which will provide a radar output, which are being shown in the right side of the PPT. And this is our rover car, which we have used for the patrolling unit. And this is our test case, which have been considered for this project. And accuracy of machine learning is 78%, and precision is 78, and the recall is 86. F1 score overall 72, interference time 3 seconds, real time detection achieved. And for the conclusion, we have to say that Godit represents a significant step forward in security-based security by integrating AI-driven detection with autonomous automated response. Moving forward, I plan to focus on AI-driven prediction analytics to anticipate threat before even occur. And this product underscores the potential of advantageous technologies to revolutionize military security, ensuring a safer and more resilient environment. Through its innovative approach, Guardit demonstrated a commitment to leverage AI and IoT technologies for enhanced national security and defense operations. Future work will be AI-driven predictive analytics and the combination of collaboration with the defense work. These are our reference papers. And if there is a question, please put in the comment, and we like to rectify and communicate with you. Thank you.